This is our annual Women in Welding Competition. This is year 2, by far superseding our expectations.
I've been welding on the Mariposa County welding team for the last 2 years, and I heard about this last year, so I just decided to come this year.
They're taking parts and they're laying them out on a plate of metal, and they have to follow the print and do the weldments according to the details.
I think I did pretty okay. I don't know if I'm necessarily going to win today, but I'm really glad that I came, and it's very nice to see some other young women in the welding field.
I think it's so extremely important that these young ladies have this day, this event to showcase and highlight all of the skills and hard work that they're doing.
Even though we're shifting more towards women being represented in the welding community, it's going to be a long ways. This, I feel like, is just one of the very few icebreakers to what the welding community can bring to women.
American Welding Society is bringing 4 $1,000 scholarships. So our top 3 participants are going to get either a $1,000 or $2,000 scholarship to further their career in welding. Even if they don't win top 3, they are leaving with a bunch of welding apparel that's fitted for women.
Even if you've only welded a few times, or if you've just picked up a welder once, I think that you should come out and do this competition. I think it's a really good one.